Last week, an unexpected van life detour to urgent care took us somewhere that wasn't in the plans. But what lied ahead was about to completely surprise us.
So beautiful.
Most of it was good, but some also tested if we should be here in the first place. I don't know what we're gonna do.
This is always a little bit risky.
If you're new here, we're Brian and Emily, and this is our adventure Pup Wes. In July 2024, we traded in our careers to see what was out there on the open road. Grab your favorite beverage and settle in for this week's adventure out there.
We are about to walk up to one of the first waterfalls we're going to check out in the next couple days. We've been to this part of Oregon numerous times. It's famous for its waterfalls. We've just never had the opportunity to stop and check them out. So we're really excited to see another diverse part of Oregon.
This stretch of Highway 138 is known as Southern Oregon's Highway of Waterfalls. It runs through the Cascade Mountains towards Crater Lake and packs in over a dozen waterfalls in a single drive. We'll see how many we can get over the course of the next day. And first up, Clearwater Falls.
Being the first one we've seen so far, so beautiful. It's its own little ecosystem, lots of mosses, some of the clearest water we've ever seen. So really excited to see what else is out there, but it is starting to get late, so we need to go find camp.
In 600 feet, turn right onto National Forest Development Road 2612.
Well, we found a spot. There's a look like a little trail over here. Let's go see if there's some water nearby, and if there is, I think we call this home. The maps show that there is a river or creek over here, so let's go check it out. This might be a little further than we want to walk to some water, and the trail kind of ends right here, this tree. So we did see another spot further down the road, and we're gonna go check out that's right on the lake. Going down a road like this is always a little bit risky because I do not like backing out of stuff like this. But I do see a turnaround spot, and hopefully no one's down here because this might be a really cool place to call home. It's times like this that the Wolfbox G900 Pro can really be your best friend. And they are also today's video sponsor. With a 4K camera in the front, a 2.5K camera in the rear, it's our all-in-one go-to camera for tricky situations like this. It's also a dash cam and it has great night vision. For our van, we hardwired it to the fuse panel, ran the rear camera wires through the firewall into the engine bay, and then routed the wires from the camera to the rear bumper. In the front, we mounted the dash cam and video screen with the OEM bracket, and then ran the wires from the camera along the windshield to the fuse panel. Once it's installed, you can view it with the front camera, the rear camera, or the split screen. Footage can easily be downloaded to your phone. There's also hands-free voice commands so you can stay focused on driving. Take a picture. Lastly, there's a security feature. If we happen to be away from our home on wheels and there's a bump, it will automatically save that footage. The Wolfbox G900 Pro is seriously one of the best upgrades we've made to our van. If you're interested in anything from Wolfbox, click the link in the description. Don't forget Amazon Prime Day is right around the corner and there's going to be some huge savings from Wolfbox. And thank you Wolfbox for sponsoring this video. Someone has camped here, but there's really no water access and there's no way we're going to get level on this. So we're just going to keep heading down the road.
I think we found home for the night. We're actually at a campground that is still closed for the season, technically, but you are allowed to camp here. They just don't have any amenities. And it's right on this lake. So it's a little bit of walk from our campsite down to the lake, but I think Wes is definitely going to approve. Well, kid approves.
Have the best trip.
Is the grocery outlet wood a little wet?
The grocery outlet wood is a little wet, and tonight we're going to, just an experiment, try this fire starter we got that's been working pretty well. We're going to do it with no paper products, just some feather sticks, some wet kindling, the fire starter. See if we can get this going. Not to knock grocery outlet, you can't beat $6 for a bundle of wood, but this stuff is definitely not seasoned.
Is that mosquito hawk?
Protein.
Extra protein.
That little guy.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
I'm surprised Wes isn't around for the peanut butter. Spilled coconut milk on me. It's all good. And one of my favorite tools in the van, this whisk that like packs down flat, which is perfect for the utensil drawer. I think we got this at like Target, somewhere like that. Such a cool whisk. And it's silicone. All right, you can put the lid on. Lid back on for another
I'll leave it where it's at.
5. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, it smells so good. This is probably one of our most liked recipes
Absolutely.
that we have ever put out there.
And thank you to Brooke and Jesse. That's who we got this recipe from. Happy anniversary, guys.
Yeah.
We wish we could spend it with you. You're on a whole nother side of Oregon than we are. But cheers to you, and thank you for this.
And thank you for the chopsticks, too.
Oh, yeah, and the chopsticks.
Cheers. Oh, you need a dumpling. You need a dumpling cheers. You get one? They're slippery.
They're slippery suckers. Cheat.
Stab.
Boop. Oh my gosh. We don't have this enough.
It gets better every time we eat it, I swear. So good.
Good morning. Waking up at this beautiful lake in the Umpqua National Forest. I'm about to make coffee, maybe, because we are at 4% water. I don't even know what that means. So we were going to go for a waterfall hike first thing this morning, but I think first thing we're going to do is going to go find water. Hopefully we can get at least 1 cup of coffee in.
Hold on. You've got like this Wes hair.
Hi, buddy. Is it Wes or is it Emily hair?
It's a Wes hair.
That is a Wes hair. Moment of truth. I think we're gonna get coffee. Yes. Oh, I'm so glad I got a cup of coffee today. Let's go find some water.
So we found on Overlander that there's a KOA across the lake where you can purchase water for 40 cents a gallon, which would be amazing. I hope it's open because since this campground's closed and a lot of the campgrounds in the area are closed, I'm not sure if the KOA is open yet for the season. And if we can't get water there, I don't know what we're going to do. But let's hit the road. Open.
Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Hi, puppy dog.
What can I do for you?
We heard that you guys might sell water by the gallon in here.
We
Is
do.
that correct?
40 cents a gallon. So yes, right
Okay.
here I have a hose bib with a hose on
Okay.
it.
Awesome.
Right up here.
Okay, cool.
Too easy. Let's go chase some waterfalls.
Oh, babe.
Driving through West Virginia, and I've seldom been thinner. With that chip on my shoulder, and this past year I got so much older.
This is Whitehorse Falls. It almost looks like it'd be fun to jump off of this log right here. And there's a little tiny drop, but it's cold.
My life spent the most of
We
it.
just got to the trailhead for waterfall number 3 on this waterfall tour. This is Toketee Falls. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly, but please correct me in the comments if I'm not. And just in the trailhead here, there's like this pipe that runs along and springing all these leaks, but they've like shoved a bunch of pieces of wood into it to try and keep the leaks from popping out. It's pretty cool.
We've got about a mile hike to put in for this one.
He goes around the water.
This pipe is 12 feet in diameter and it's actually a hydroelectric pipe.
Even if this didn't have a waterfall at the end of it, this is a beautiful hike.
Old growth forest.
Coffee black as iron, and I couldn't be much higher.
There's over 15 well-known waterfalls on the Southern Oregon Waterfall Highway. This is probably the most popular one. Definitely had the most cars at the trailhead, and it's also one of the tallest. But we are going to save the tallest for next. But either way, this one looks like it's going to be pretty amazing. Lots And lots of stairs though.
And it's so easy to be blind.
What makes this waterfall so cool are the beautiful basalt columns that line it.
It's blowing in the breeze, babe. I got dust in my eyes, rust in my mind. I'll be home come next spring. Won't you say you love me later, by and by?
So that was a pretty magnificent waterfall, but what makes this hike special to us is the bonus of an old growth forest hike to go see it. It's probably my favorite kind of hike to take. Super beautiful. Let's go find somewhere to have lunch.
Now this is a lunch spot. Fajita bowl cheers.
Boop.
My life spent the most of
That
it on
beautiful lunch view.
holding my belt tight. It's just me and
Further up the road here is Umpqua Hot Springs. We're not going to go do that hike or soak. I don't think it would be good for my eczema right now. But we will leave a link to that video from the time we were here a couple years ago. We are going to drive up this road, however, and check out a potential campsite.
That clearly says day use only. This is where iOverlander can sometimes get you in trouble, leading you to spots like this.
It would have been cool. There's a picnic bench right by the river, but we'll find something.
Let's go for another hike first.
Okay.
This hike is going to have some elevation, so definitely want to stay hydrated. I always forget to turn the water pump on.
All right, now we're at Watson Falls. This is another about mile round trip, 500 feet of elevation, so a little bit of a grind. The lower hike is closed. I think they had a pretty rough winter here. There's a bridge that isn't accessible, so they have us doing this alternative route. But we're really excited to check this one out. Let's see what's up there. We've got a little peak. We're almost there. All right, everyone for themselves here. Still got a little bit of a grind here. No more switchbacks. Little obstacle. Come on, bud. It's a little ways to go. Come on. Oh, that mist feels so good. It's got to be 20 degrees cooler up here than it was on the walk up.
Wow, Watson Falls did not disappoint. Absolutely worth every step to get up here, and almost losing our camera trying to get a selfie. I think that Watson Falls actually might be one of the tallest waterfalls in Oregon too. I think maybe in the top 3 or top 5. I'll put it here on the screen so you know. But it is, I believe, the tallest waterfall here on the Southern Oregon Waterfall Highway, and it sure is impressive. I just love how mossy everything is.
Hey, moss.
The moss.
We're struggling finding campsites. We're gonna flip a coin. Heads, we go back to the spot we stayed last night, if it's available. Tails, we start heading south.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. You got a Canadian coin too.
Heads.
Heads. Do you want to do that?
Heads.
You want to go back to where we were last
Let's go
night?
back.
Okay, let's go back. All right. Looks like we got our spot back for tonight. Not bad.
Wes approves of this spot.
Wes approves.
It really isn't a bad spot at all. It's a great spot. There's waterfront. It's quiet. It's free. It's technically closed, but you can camp here. There's just no services, so we're making sure to pack out what we pack in, and also gonna get rid of the rest of our firewood, I think, because we might be crossing state lines tomorrow. Don't want to have firewood with us, so I think it's time to take a swim.
Oh no! How's the water?
It's not bad. There's a...
I'm in. What are you doing? You coming back in?
I'll do another. It is colder than I said.
It is definitely colder
That
than
may have been a trick to get you in.
Ah, yeah.
Oh.
It's almost like Tahoe coldish. Maybe a little warmer.
I mean, we're not that far away from Crater,
Yeah,
and we were there in August or September last year.
Yeah.
That was frigid.
it was freezing. Oh no, go! Chase! You never, ever, ever regret a swim. It feels so good after hiking today. How does a savory s'moreboard sound for dinner?
Absolutely perfect.
So we've got hot honey, salami, fancy crackers, pear almonds, cheddar cheese, Gouda, pepperoni, and brie.
I'm gonna do the Gouda first. You can have all the brie.
I know.
We'll see how this works. I think it's gonna be very short roast. Smoked Gouda. Okay, it looks like a marshmallow. I'm gonna pull, and I will just go with the salami for now. And that's pretty dang good. I think I'll try the hot honey next.
I'm gonna go brie and then probably salami and pear. Honestly, there's just some nights you don't feel like cooking. Tonight's one of those big day driving and finding all those waterfalls, so this definitely hits the spot. Oh yeah, now this looks like a marshmallow. Cracker. salami and pear with a little bit of ash on it for good measure. This right here, brie, salami, pear, might be my favorite flavor combination. You sure you don't like brie?
Positive. Oh, yeah.
You don't know what you're missing out on.
Oh, I do.
Oh my gosh.
For a gooey pool.
That Gouda melts really well.
It does. So now I'm gonna take a pear, some hot honey, a couple almonds, and a salami.
Let's see it up close. What you got? What you got?
Mmm. The hot honey with the pear for sure. That's a good combo.
What is your favorite charcuterie combo? Let us know in the comments below. Maybe we'll make it next time we decide to skip dinner and do this instead. And this is fun. I think this is like totally something that would be a blast to do if you were camping with a bunch of people, even if you're just camping with you guys or two of you or one of you or whatever. There's just something like brings you back to your childhood and is like super nostalgic about roasting something over an open fire.
Good morning. We've got a long drive day ahead of us. Let's get our steps in and see another waterfall first.
This is a beautiful trail already.
Look at all this moss.
Hey, you're the moss.
Green and lush in here. Some of these plants look almost tropical. I think you could film a movie in here. What would you film? Dinosaur movie? Wrong Turn movie?
I mean, personally, I'm always a sucker for dinosaur movies. You know that.
I'm waiting for an Ewok to pop up or something.
You hear the waterfall.
This is my kind of hike.
This is a story
Nice
of our
and flat.
first teacher. Shepherd made the jumpers and the devil made the features. She threw up her hands when my mum said her name. And boy, did all the stories with slanderous claims. But it's over and done with. 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 It's over. It's over. It's over and done with. Let me hear. Let me hear. This is a story.
We have had the best time exploring parts of Oregon we've never been to before. From the high desert, old growth forests, to these spectacular waterfalls. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing, thumbs up, hype, and we'll see you next Sunday. Bye! Tonight, we're trading in the van for a very small tent. What do we do? Take a nap? How's that on the fish scale? Fishy. That's our, I guess, our first big boo-boo.